Here's a collection of delicious chicken wrap recipes you can try at home. They're easy, quick, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or even snacks. 1. Classic chicken wrap. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, grilled or pan-fried, sliced. 4 tortilla wraps. Half a cup mayonnaise or garlic sauce. 1 cup lettuce, shredded. 1 tomato, sliced. 1 cucumber, sliced. Half a cup shredded cheese. Instructions: warm the tortillas on a pan. Spread mayonnaise or garlic sauce on each wrap. Add lettuce, tomato, cucumber, chicken slices, and cheese. Roll tightly, cut in half, and serve. Tip: you can experiment with different sauces like ranch, garlic mayo, or tahini to change the flavor.